Welcome to Capyeconomics. Today we are diving into one of the most fundamental economic concepts, supply and demand. Have you ever wondered why the prices of houses or even your favorite sneakers go up and down? Well, it all comes down to supply and demand. In this video, we will break down these concepts using simple, everyday examples to show you how they work. Supply is how much of something is available, and demand is how much people want that thing. When these two forces meet, they decide the price. Imagine a new pair of limited edition sneakers drop. The store only has 10 pairs, but 30 people want to buy them. This high demand with low supply causes prices to rise. Maybe some buyers are even willing to pay more than the retail just to get their hands on those exclusive kicks. When demand exceeds supply, prices tend to rise because people are now competing for something rare. Let's consider there are 10 houses for sale, and let's say that the builders decide to construct 10 more houses, making a total of 20 houses. But the number of buyers stays at 10. Suddenly, there are more houses than buyers. Supply has increased, but the demand hasn't changed. What happens? The prices of houses may go down because there are now more houses than people to buy them. This is how the supply side works. When there is more of something available than people want, prices tend to drop. Let's switch to another example, groceries. Think about a popular food item like fresh avocados. If people suddenly start going crazy over avocado toast and everyone is buying avocados, but the store only has their usual amount of stock, the demand skyrockets. Now, with high demand and limited supply, the price of avocados shoots up. This happens when trends or new diets make certain food items more popular. A sudden increase in demand can push prices higher. Market equilibrium. The point where supply equals demand is called market equilibrium. At this point, everyone who wants to buy can buy, and everyone who wants to sell can sell. The prices are stable. Understanding this helps us see why prices fluctuate with changes in supply and demand, like when a new trend increases the demand for a product, or when overproduction leads to lower prices. So to sum up, supply and demand are like scales balancing the economy. When one goes up or down, it affects the price and availability of goods. Next time you see a price tag, think about the supply and demand behind it. Thanks for watching Capyeconomics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.